Hey guys, I'm going to be cleaning my hairbrushes today. I have never done this before, but I've seen a few videos here on TikTok and my brushes are pretty gross. Like I have never cleaned them. So you want to start off by removing all the hair that's in there before you start cleaning these. I'm going to fill up this bowl with warm water, and I'm also going to add in baking soda. I didn't measure, I'm just sprinkling some in. You're also going to be putting in some vinegar. This is one of the methods I'm using. I'm going to show you two ways you can do this. There's some vinegar, and watch it bubble up. Now I'm going to put in some shampoo. You can use whatever you want. This is like a dandruff shampoo I already had. And I'm going to get my brush, and I'm going to use that to kind of mix up all the ingredients. And then I'm going to leave the brush in there for about 30 minutes to let everything loosen up. But yeah, look at that. It already looks better. And the second way I'm doing this is I'm just going to fill up the sink, and I'm using, this is my favorite shampoo. It's the Vino Apple Cider Clarifying Shampoo. I use this to wash my hair all the time. So I'm going to use this one for this method. Just again, pour a little bit in, and I'm going to use the brushes to swirl it around. You definitely want to make sure you're using warm water. Another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to let them soak for a while. Then I'm going to go in with my hand or with a washcloth and kind of go through and try to loosen everything up. But look at this. Look at all the buildup that's loosened up on this. I'm going to get a washcloth and kind of scrub all this off and continue to let that soak. But it is disgusting, guys. Like, look at all that buildup. And when you're finished, you're going to let the water out, and you're going to rinse off your brushes. And you're just going to rinse them off and set them to the side to dry. Now, guys, I highly recommend this. Like, this is something I'm definitely going to be doing way more often. I want to keep my hair from getting oily and be able to go a few days in between washing. So this is something you definitely would want to do. But look how clean this brush looks. Like, it looks brand new. And it's just from doing that. So both of these methods worked pretty well. So give it a try, guys, and give me a follow.